Alright, welcome back. On cards, we're going to bust a box of Totally Certified. We're going to do a draft style. And off we're going. 6 packs, 6 hits, 1 pack per. Alright. You know what? No, it doesn't matter. Alright, pack 1 will go right to the hit. Bradshaw jersey. That was Bradshaw. This hit is Winston Mercury's auto, number 299. Pack 3. Then Michael James, rookie. Yes, that's correct. Or you can go to allcards.net and I think the second page, the break page and everything, you just click the PayPal link. Yeah, I think 99. No, 199. We have a David Casper. Ooh, what is this? David Casper auto. Gold auto. Number to 25. And a decoy. That's pretty cool. And the Oakland Raiders, old school. We have it, Ronell Lewis, freshman signature. Whoever he is, Ronell Lewis. And pack 6. Darius Hayward-Bay. And that is number to 299. There is, oh, and I forgot, this one has the Tom Brady Platinum Blue in it. Alright, let's save that and we will start our draft.